Sawadika. Welcome to Tiger in the Kitchen. Today's recipe we are making stir-fried prawns with garlic and chili, or Goong Khua Prik Kluea. So Goong in Thai means prawns or shrimps. Khua, the meaning is kind of like same but different from the word pat, which means to stir fry. I won't go into the details of how slightly different it is. And prik means chilies, Kluea means salt. Straightforward menu name. Very yummy to eat and very easy to make. Alright, let's do it. We're gonna need prawns. Can either be the whole prawns like this or the already peeled and deveined prawns, whatever you can get. Then we need spring onion, garlic, and some fresh chilies. You can use either Thai Jinda chilies or bird's eye chilies. And there will be only 3 seasonings, which are salt, sugar, and white pepper powder. Peel and chop the garlic. Chilies, slice them up. Spring onion, just chop into small pieces. You can either use the totally peeled and deveined prawns, or my preferable way for this menu when I can get the fresh whole prawns is remove the sharp pointy part of it. I keep the head because there's some umami juice in it, and keep the shells to kind of hold the juice and flavors. Then I'm gonna remove the legs. Cut through the shell on its back. And remove the vein. Once done, let's cook it. Pour some vegetable oil, wait until it's hot. Then we'll cook the prawns first. In this step, we're only gonna cook the prawns for around 70 to 80% because we're gonna cook it again along with other ingredients, and by then it won't be overcooked. Now set the prawns aside. As you see, the prawns release some yummy shrimpy juice out, which we don't need it this much, so we're gonna remove a half of it. I will keep, and you can too. It's good for cooking prawns fried rice. Then add the chopped garlic. Keep stirring for about a minute. Then add the chili. Now we put the prawns back in. Season with salt, sugar, and white pepper powder. Then keep cooking until the prawns are completely cooked, which will only take about a minute on medium-high heat. Now we can turn the heat off and then add the chopped spring onion. And we're gonna give it the last mix. It smells so nice. and ready to serve. This looks so lovely. I'm gonna try it right now. And some sauce and garlic and chili on it. So good. Simple enough, very yummy. I have my steamed rice ready and I'm gonna finish this with my steamed rice. So I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. If you like it, please leave the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again next recipe. สวัสดีค่ะ